Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you keep your mobile devices running like new with simple maintenance tips. Today, I am going to show you how to empty cache on Android so you can free up space and speed up your phone. So now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1 is to open the Chrome app and tap the three-dot icon in the top corner to access the drop-down menu. For step 2, you need to tap on History from the list of options to see a record of your past browsing activity. In step 3, tap on the option to delete browsing data, which is located right at the top of your history screen. Step 4 requires you to use the time range drop-down menu to decide exactly how far back you want the cache to be cleared. For step 5, carefully select the specific types of data you want to remove, like cached images and files, from the checklist. Finally, in step 6, tap the Delete Data button to finish the process and permanently remove the selected items from your browser. Method 2, Step 1, open up your app drawer and go to the Play Store to find the right tool for the job. Step 2, use the search bar at the top and type in Files by Google to locate the specific application. This app is highly recommended because it is developed by Google and provides a very clean interface for managing your phone's storage. Step 3, click the Install button to download the app onto your device. Having this app is important because it simplifies the process of finding hidden junk files that are often difficult to track down manually. Step 4. Once the installation is finished, locate the icon on your home screen and open the Files app. This is the main hub where you can view all your photos, videos, and documents organized by category. Step 5. Look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner and click on that to open the side menu. This menu acts as the navigation pane for the app's advanced settings and different storage locations. Step 6. From the menu options that appear, go to Trash to see everything you have recently deleted. It is important to check this area because files often sit here for 30 days before they actually disappear from your storage. Step 7. Look at the list of files and then hit all items to select everything at once. This is a huge time saver if you want to wipe the slate clean instead of picking through every individual photo or document. Step 8. Finalize the process and hit delete to permanently remove the files from your device. Once you confirm this action, the storage space will be immediately freed up and the files cannot be recovered. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.